Alright, so today, the floor is going in, and let me show you what we got. Okay, so we were able to go to Home Depot and pick up some of this plank flooring. It's not actually wood, it's like a laminate. It's like a vinyl flooring, and it's called Edwards Oak, and it's a little bit lighter than the wood that we have in the bus, and I think it'll look good on the floor. So that's why we chose it. Also, it was about half the price of what's the other brand? Do you know the other brand that we were looking at or no? It was about half the price of Life Proof, and they had a few options for it, which was kind of nice. So we're gonna go with this one. It's 6" by 36" planks, and then we're gonna cut them so they're staggered. And we're gonna start along the long wall on the right-hand side here. As you can see, we laid a few of the pieces already. And then we'll just use that as a starting line and kind of go forward from there. So I'll just give you guys updates of the floor as we're putting it in. And yeah, show you where we're at with progress as we're doing the flooring. So this is the wall I just mentioned that we're gonna start here and then lay them this way. And they're gonna kind of start to get put in place going towards this wall. The bathroom we're gonna put in a little bit backwards just because I wanted a straight line right here. But it's just a few planks in there, so that should be pretty easy. But we do have to make a hole for the actual toilet. So I'm just putting the kind of trim pieces back in now that the floor is underneath them. And then we'll put the kick plates on the bottom of the cabinets on this side and that side to kind of fill this area in. But most of the floor is in. There's a few pieces up front and then the 2 pieces in the bathroom, which we're gonna do. I'm gonna hold off on the ones on the stairs just because we're gonna be constantly coming in and out for a little bit. And then we can put those pieces in. So for right now, we're gonna finish up the bathroom. We're gonna finish up these pieces on the sides, and then we can work our way over to the front and put the carpet in the front of the bus. So we have the seats out now, and we have the brackets for the seats, but we're gonna use this paper and kind of just lay it out here and make a stencil of what the space is gonna be. And then we'll trace this on the carpet in the basement, and then kind of fit the piece in and hope that it works. So here we are just making the template out of some of that paper that we have. On the driver's side, you can see that we extend it so that it goes underneath the vent, and then we push it up underneath the dash as much as we can. Here is what the template looks like all taped up, and then we'll bring it downstairs, and here is the carpet after we cut it and traced it on there and put it inside of the bus. So I have the carpet in here, but there's a few things I need to finish up, like attaching the bottom half of both of the seat belts, adding a trim piece here, as well as adding a trim piece along that wall and then across here diagonally. Once we get them and the seats done, we can put this area back together, but for right now the carpet and the floor is in. So that was the goal for this video. With the hardwood floor done, besides the stairs and the carpet up in the front, this is what the bus looks like, moving from the back of the bus to the front of the bus. And I'm happy to say that it only took a weekend to complete this project, but we are done and one step closer to the finished product of this bus. So with that said, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video.